most people come here, they just want to come and walk on the canopy, take pictures, and then go back home. But it's not just about the canopy walk, you know. There's a lot about this place that you need to know. At least why we have this forest in this part of the country, why we have this as a tourist attraction place, and why we have the canopy in the forest here. You should know something about that before you leave here. Because you guys came a long way, right?
Yes.
Yeah. From which states in America?
North Carolina.
North Carolina? Maryland and North Carolina. Okay. It's all in the East Coast. Yeah. So when you come to Ghana, the southwestern part, this is Ghana map. The southwestern part of Ghana here has a lot of rainforests. Just like in America, the southeastern part of America has a lot of rainforests. North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Alabama, northern part of Florida. But we don't call it the tropical rainforest, we call it the temperate rainforest. A lot of oak trees, rosewood, redwood, pine trees. The same thing when you come here. The reason why we have a lot of rainforests here is because of the early rainfall within the year in this part of the country. And the clouds come from the southwestern part of the country. And the more you are going to the northern part of the country, the more the trees are reducing, they are descending. The northern part of the country receive rainfall late within the year. And the dry season comes in the northern part of the country. So the northern part of the country is very dry, like Arizona, southern part of California, New Mexico is very, very dry. But the local people that live around this part of the country, most of them have low knowledge about trees. They want to cut down the trees we have in the forest for farming activities. And most of them want to hunt the animals we have in the forest here for bush meat. Our people like meat a lot. I also like meat. So the chiefs weren't happy with what was going on in the forest here. So they decided to take the park away from the local people. But they were like, if they take away all this from them, how are their own people going to survive? That's why they brought the idea about the tourism. Let's try to initiate something here. We can generate some funds and revenue and help give back to the local people. And now Kakum National Park is one of the most eco-tourism sites. Visited the whole of West Africa and the whole world. People come here to see the nice animals and the forest we have in the park here. Are we good? Yeah. So you can see some images here. People come here and they don't get to see the animals we have in the forest here, and then they keep asking we the tour guides. And you see, look at the map of the park. This is the map of the park. And right now we are just here. And where the canopy walk here is around here. So we are just at the tip of the forest. And most of the animals are moved deep inside the forest. And you know, this is the home of the animals. We are the invaders. We are coming at territories. And we'll also see humans just trying to move deep inside the forest. So we set some camera traps to capture some of the images of the animals we have in the park here. These are African civet cats. These are porcupine. These are pangolin. These are mongoose. These are day dikers. These are the forest elephants. And these are the mambas. We have all of them. And everything you see here in the exhibition here was given to us by the local communities. We have 52 communities around the park. So we get the tools from them to show people that what they are really into. Most of them were carpenters, they were hunters, and some of them were farmers. So these are some of the tools that you see here. Let's go around here. So these are the owners of the land. So what we do is, every year we generate some funds and revenue and pay royalties to them. So they own the land. They also use the money for the community development and everything. So everybody that comes here as a tourist, as a visitor, anything you pay here help to maintain or also give something to the local people.
Are they all from a particular tribe?
No, it's a different tribe. Mostly, you see in Ghana, this is the central region of Ghana. And most of the people who live in the central region of Ghana are related because they are all from the Akan ethnic group. The Akan is the main ethnic group, and under the Akan, we have a sub ethnic groups. We have tribes under the ethnic group. So there can be like 8 tribes under one ethnic group. Asantis are part of the Akan, Achim are part of the Akan, Fantis are also Akans, Dentura are Akan, Wasa are Akan, Ahantes are Akan, and Kwapim are Akan. They are all Akan. Yeah, but Akan is the main thing. But among all of them, Ashantis are the strongest. They are more dominated than all of them. But when you go to the northern Ghana, you have another tribe there, the Moli, the Bani. It's just an ethnic group. And under the ethnic group, the Moli, the Bani, we have a tribe under them. You have the Dogumbes, you have the Mampusi, you have the Nanumbes, they are all under that ethnic group. Okay, I'm from the northern Ghana, so my ethnic group is mostly the Mali, and my tribe is the Gomba. So when they speak, it's related because they were all from one great ancestor, and when they came, they all separated from different locations. My great grandfather.
Quick question. Is the mask because of Corona?
There's a Corona time. The Corona time, and then they took the picture. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Let's wait here. So most of the communities here are really into cocoa farming. So this is how they harvest it, and they break the pod like this, and they dry it. After they dry it, they ship it to the Western countries and the European countries. They use it for chocolate and everything. Yeah. Ghana is the second highest producer of cocoa in West Africa after Cote d'Ivoire. Do you like trees? Alright, I want to tell you, most of the trees we have in the forest here was imported. It wasn't naturally from Ghana here. One of the trees that we have in the forest here that has really played a lot of role for us is the bamboo tree. You know bamboo tree? When you are going on a tour, maybe I'm not the one to take you on a tour. Maybe your tour guy is going to tell you. The bamboo tree was imported in Ghana. And now we have bamboo tree all over Ghana. And the reason is that bamboo tree is an invaded species. When the bamboo grows here, the next one you're going to see here all around. And you know it's not a tree, right?
Right.
It's a what?
Bamboo.
It's a grass. Yeah, bamboo is a grass. It's the fastest growing grass in the world, and it grows 1 meter every single day. Yeah. I think your tour guide has come. Sorry, you guys are about to leave.
All right.
So you're going to come, okay? All right, okay.
Is that a big mushroom?
Yeah, that's a big question. Okay.